12th standard, subject physics, 8th chapter electrostatics. From this chapter, the capacitance of a parallel plate capacitor without dielectric. That means we have to obtain an expression for the capacitance of this parallel plate capacitor without a dielectric field between its two plates. For that, let us consider a parallel plate capacitor consisting of two plates P1 and P2 separated by a distance d. The space between the two plates is filled with air. The plate P1 is insulated and the plate P2 is earth, so that when plus Q charge is given to plate P1, minus Q charge will be induced on the inner surface of the plate P2. At the same time, plus Q charge will be induced on the outer surface of this plate P2, which will be removed to the earth by providing the earthing. So, as plate P1 is having plus Q charge and plate P2 is having minus Q charge, therefore both these conducting plates will act as a charge conductor, and therefore it will give rise to electric field. The electric field due to both these plates is given as E equal to sigma upon 2 epsilon 0, where sigma is the surface charge density of each of the plates, that is charge per unit area. Let capital A represents area of each plate, and therefore in the outer region of the capacitor, that is in the outer region of this capacitor, the net electric field will be due to the cancellation of the electric fields due to these two plates. That is, in the outer region, the electric field due to the two conducting plates cancel with each other, and therefore in the outer region we can write E equal to sigma upon 2 epsilon 0 minus sigma upon 2 epsilon 0, that is equal to 0. And that's why in the diagram, in the outer region E equal to 0, here also E equal to 0. Now only in the inner region the electric field will be present, and hence in the inner region of the capacitor the electric field due to the two plates will add up, and hence E equal to sigma upon 2 epsilon 0 plus sigma upon 2 epsilon 0, that will be equal to 2 sigma upon 2 epsilon 0, 2 will get cancelled, and hence we will get sigma upon epsilon 0, that will be equal to Q upon A epsilon 0, because in this case sigma equal to Q by A. Equation number 1. Now the potential difference V and the electric field E between the plates of that capacitor is given as V equal to ED or E equal to phi by D. So this will represent electric potential difference between the two plates, and this is the electric field between the two plates. But we know that E equal to Q upon A epsilon 0 according to equation number 1. So as E equal to Q upon A epsilon 0, therefore in this equation putting the value of E, we will get V equal to Q upon A epsilon 0 into D, equation number 2. Now the capacitance of that parallel plate capacitor, the capacitance of the parallel plate capacitor is given as C equal to Q by V. As capacity is equal to charge upon potential, therefore C equal to Q by V, that will be equal to Q upon QD upon A epsilon 0. Here value of phi from equation number 2 is kept, and therefore QQ will get cancelled. A epsilon 0 will be shifted to numerator. with D as denominator, and therefore capacity C will be equal to A epsilon 0 upon D, equation number 3. So this equation C equal to A epsilon 0 upon D gives the capacity of that parallel plate capacitor without any dielectric, and therefore from this relation it is clear that the capacity of the parallel plate capacitor is directly proportional to area of the plates and inversely proportional to distance of separation between the two plates.